A garden center wish to use fencing to enclose three equally sized rectangle plots next to each other, as shown in diagram. The total area of these three plots is to be 288. So the first information is your area are constant. Your area here is constant, which is 288 meter cube, meter square. So this is x times y. Find the expression in the total area and the total length of the fencing required in terms of x and y. So this question is guided you one by one. Guided you one by one, build out your area formula, build out your fencing formula. Fencing means perimeter lah. The concept we want is perimeter. When you're doing fencing, perimeter. So for area first. So area for these three plots, x times y, correct? So we have the length is 3x times 1. Meanwhile, the fencing, they denoted it as the symbol L, so we use L. So we didn't use our own symbol. So fencing, you want to find this perimeter, it will be x, 3x. This side also 3x. In total will be 6x plus y. So they want to fencing by 3 block. It's not total one length like that. It's not the area one length besar macam ini. Dia nak pecahkan kepada tiga bahagian, betul? So dia punya fencing maksudnya sini 1y, 2y, 3y and 4y. So your fencing do here is 4y. So expression of area, expression of length in terms of x and y, yes. Area in terms of x and y. Length also in terms of x and y. So question B, express L in terms of x only. So we need to substitute our y. So what is our y? Area is constant. So we start with here 288 equals to 3xy. We need to replace y. So we make y as a subject. It will be 288 over 3x. So simplify 288 over 3. It can be divided by 3. You get you 96 over x. So therefore, your length 96 over x. Simplify this formula. 4 times 96, 384. Question B. Alright, L in terms of x only. Then question C, hence find the dimension of each rectangular block. Dimension means what is your x, what is your y. You have to state out what's your x and what's your y. If the total length here to be kept as low as possible, means this is a minimum case. We want to make it as minimum as we can. So question C, take the equation, we do it as optimization problem. So when we have x at denominator, we put it up, power -1. So try to differentiate and verify it is a minimum case with the x. So differentiate L respect to x, differentiate 6x, 6. For differentiate this, power turun depan, -384, power tolak 1, to become -2. So we let it to be 0 to find out critical number so that we can verify later. So 6 minus 384 over x squared equals to 0. So we simplify this. 384 over x squared. So when your 6 move to the right hand side, negative become positive lah. Okay, simplify together. Then x squared, it will be 384 over 6, 64. So plus minus square root 64. It can be positive 8 or negative 8. So since x is a length, means our suitable critical number here, x is equal to 8. Length we won't have negative value, so with critical number 4 on x equals to 8. So whether it minimize or not, we have to verify it. We have to test it. So we can using second derivative test. d2l dx square, differentiate again, differentiate constant 0, differentiate this term, power to the 2 times 384, negative negative become positive, power tolak 1. Then we sub our critical number x equals to 8. So look like it is a positive value, more than 0, concativity downward, upward, concativity upward, so you can see this case is minimal. Therefore, we verify this x is minimal, which is 8. So what's the question just now? The question is find the dimension, means you have to state out what's your x, what's your y. If it is possible, as low as possible, as minimal as possible. So when x is 8, what is the dimension of y? So we substitute what's your y. Y is in terms of this, y is equal to 96 over x. 96 over x, x is 8. Then we go for question D. What they ask? What is the minimum length? Okay, so question D. What's your length with minimum? So look at your equation. Your L is 6x plus 384 over x. So we use the x we use the x where it's already verified minimum, which is 8, to find out the total length here. So all these they are using meter, is it? Look at the questions. Area in meter square. So all this length is in meter, 8 meter, 12 meter. So length also meter.